Hey, this is John the Supertaster, and I want to try out this called Serene Floats. This is a Jordanian drink from Jordan. Oh, wow. So, right away, you get this banana, um, thicker than regular water. It's like a smoothie. Uh, it's got bits of fruit in it. Honestly, it tastes like a banana smoothie, so if you like banana smoothies, give it a 10 out of 10. You can taste little bits of other fruit in there, but definitely mostly smoothie. But it's actually really good. I'm almost finished, and I literally opened it up, started the video.